Good morning, guys.
Hello.
Morning.
Hello, Zara. Morning. It's nice to see you all again. It's our day to now.
Zayan! 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 Zayan!
Yeah, it's time to eat our breakfast. Why do you sleep?
Okay, guys, let's go. Why is it still cold without aircon?
Hi.
Why is it still cold without aircon?
Okay, let's go eat breakfast now.
Why is it still cold without aircon?
Okay.
Hi, we're eating breakfast. I mean, ordering our breakfast.
Today is...
Day 2.
Say it again.
Hi.
Then.
I do mga tao.
2 eggs with bread, butter, and marmalade.
Ganisa lang siguro ako.
Ako sa soap juice.
Hi, guys. Today we're eating Zion's, ours,
Dapat 7.
Yes,
daddy, and mommy.
and extra.
And extra for snack, I guess. Okay, let's eat first. Statue of Liberty! And the Leaning Tower of whatever that is. The Eiffel Tower! The Leaning... Big Ben! Oh my gosh!
Big Ben? Yeah. Big Ben. Let's go.
And then that guy! It's that guy! It's that guy!
Your tower.
No, that guy! That guy!
Uy, Barcelona man na nga kuha.
Yeah,
Statue.
No, that is Ginoo.
London Bridge. London Bridge. Yeah.
Hollywood! Ay, Bohollywood! Bohollywood! Bohollywood, look! Bohollywood.
Oh, here. Stop it first. Like Dubai Miracle Garden, but too much flower.
Guys, look! That's Big Ben!
we are in Sikatuna. Yeah, Sikatuna. I don't know.
The faces!
Hollywood.
Bollywood.
The faces!
London Bridge is falling down.
That dude's so weird! Look at that dude!
Hello.
We are in London Bridge. And Hollywood.
Hello.
Oh, look! There's some fishes! There's some... He's going out of the wall.
Sakit din mo bakang paro. Bulang kristal. Kristal, pwede mo butod ang kinsay kuan. Sikreto para dito.
Hi.
Hello!
Hello.
Assalamualaikum. Hello.
Hello! Again, katong raising hands, katong go.
Matago masyado sa kilid.
Come here.
Camera woman is busy. Wait, so let me do this. Ew. Ew.
I want to like see.
Ew. Look!
Yung bisuin. May anak mo, napaita. Si Daddy ang maurot. Okay, warm. 151 set para sa isa kang book naman. Kani, nasa ni, pigig sa ni.
Di ka na to.
Ano lang ma'am for rubber feeding. Ay, saan mag-ibang naman isa namin?
Is it a dead snake? Is the dead snake?
This is the one that died.
Look, it's his skin. Okay mo.
Okay, good morning, good sir. Ako si Lisa ng local guide po sa una.
Sa mata?
Kawan ni siya sa una sa buhi mag 60 kilos na baboy sa isang buwan. Once a month lang siya mukaon kay dugay man niya iso sa buwan. Makakaon yung tao. Ginsa ninyo gi-fossilize or ginsa ninyo taxidermy ma'am. Taxidermy ang pag-preserve. Pag-preserve? Picture mo naman sir, ako tanan ma'am. Pwede mo diha barog ma'am sir. Then
Hala, ano ha? Wow, amazing, amazing, amazing! No, no, no! I wanna see! Come near!
Kani siya manok pa na wala pa nahilis. Bago na siya kaon gahapon.
Why?
Ang yellow albino man ang yellow man ang brown mo na siya ay kanang original na kuan yun. Kanang yellow
Okay, ma'am. Sir, nakukulit ako, sir. Picture mo.
oh, picture mo lang sir anak ko.
Mamaak! Mamaak ni? Mamaak ni?
Siya manilapot.
Can I touch?
Yes. Oh. Mga domesticated na na sila diri guys. Ayaw ano sa mga
Wow!
Yung mga cellphone sir. Tapos wala pa yung mga
Ayaw, hinagay! Wow, so nice!
Ayaw lang anak ako siya. Okay.
It's so cute! It's so pretty!
Picture sa kanya na na. Later na lang picture.
No, let's see! This one's eating! Where's his face? Oh, look! The animal is there! Oh, the animal that he's eating is moving! What's he eating? A bird? Asa yung ulo? Asa yung ulo? The cheek is... Oh my gosh, the cheek!
Iya pa lagi patay pa niya una.
Asa ang ulo? The ulo of the cheek. Look, look.
Ano mo ma'am, lento mo ni ka ma'am.
Dili ko ulo. Oh, yeah, right by own United States. I want to own a python. I want to own a python. I want to own a cobra.
Patay ka na. Asa pa sa Sugar Paro? Ano sa Sugar Paro?
Oh, it looks so cute.
Si Eagle, sir, si Eagle.
Dara.
Oh, si Eagle ang tawag. Asa Big Paro?
Ring neck. Oh, Paro. Oh, because they have a ring around the neck. Wow, mga pigeon!
Atat. Sanap. Tuha ka, Hans pa.
Okay, please, ako.
Pwede lang ka magdaan, ate. Dili ka ganan, magtapos ang kamot kay bugat.
Wow, Obi!
Daon kay bugat na mo naman sa braso.
Uy, I'm scared. Sakit, habi.
Dili lagi. Dili man na pareha sa parrot. Ang parrot may sakit.
Ilan lang kuko may sakit.
Hala!
So how are you feeling, guys? What's your feeling, guys?
Feels so good. It's so good.
Gilok ba?
Smile. Look at wow, the Ghana. Ate. So cute.
Kizia. Kizia.
Yes. Oh my goodness.
Have a look.
Next kami next ikaw man.
Kaundot.
Yan na ikaw man. Sir, pwede ka magdupa na, sir.
Okay. Okay, madupa ko.
Sana all! Bruce! I'm the Coco Man! What's that doing?
I-reels si Daddy, reels.
Hello.
Ilagay sila mahadlok, no? Tao, no? Andan naman ka, dali man sila nagapagod naman mo daw yung ilugan. Hindi na sila manaog din sa taas lang kasi nang malay. Ate, look at me.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, guys. Oh.
Luwi ko sa opi ang.
Ah, guys. It's so hurt. It's so sakit. Oh my. See like this, huh? Lay, ayaw, lay. I was just having fun with lay, ayaw, lay. The other monkeys tried to attack me, and the monkey who's having fun with me is fighting the monkey who tried to attack me.
Ano siya yung Milo sa gitna?
Milo!
May mukhaan nito, ate, yung coffee din sa
I love so cute! Milo!
May dugo sa lens.
Lay! Ayaw, lay! Ayaw, lay! Oh, so cute!
Sila kay nocturnal naman.
What's your favorite animal? Ano niya?
Tabili na siya, tabili. Butterfly. Ibin, ma'am. Sa Bisaya, mana siya ibin.
Hindi ka ito mag-ilis yung kulor?
Dili, laki ito kami. Ato ka sa butterfly.
Hala, napailain na ra. Napailain ba? Purple skin. Wow, so many butterflies.
Ako pa, wala na naman. Wala na nang. Nagsupan kay, wala may init.
Wow, dinig nagsaging tea.
Morning lang si Gambari kung masukso sila sa sagi.
Diri ka. First mag ka diri ka. Sir, mo picture lang ko action na lang. Are ito yung kamay.